Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Phunware Inc. The stock trades on the Nasdaq under the symbol PHUN. The stock was up over 8%, up to $2.17. It did move back a couple pennies down to $2.12. However, you look at the 1 month chart, stock has been kind of a little bit shaky here. We did have that correction here, and it bounced off really nice off of that correction. You look over the past 6 months, this stock has moved up pretty well. However, the movement of the stock has been pretty erratic. So if you do get into Phunware, you have to be able to deal with 10% swings up and down. However, I do think over the long term, Phunware has a lot of potential to go much, much higher. So what Phunware does is they basically help you, if you have a company, develop apps that are better able to give you better conversions on your customers. So for instance, deliver relevant messaging to your customers, understands your customers, reach highly targeted audiences. So someone takes the app and puts it on their phone, and you're able to get a lot of data, and you're able to use Phunware to basically deliver a lot of messaging or understand where your audience is moving, what they're doing. Just a lot of basically customer relationship, customer tracking, all that stuff, and it's all cloud-based mobile software. So you could definitely see any startup or any company that wants to better reach customers, better understand customers, get data, analyze that data. They're going to use Phunware services. So I definitely think there's a lot of potential for a company like this to grow. Especially imagine if you're a small company, you don't want to spend a lot of money on big ad campaigns. It's a lot better just to have an app that you can get people to download, and from there you could get all the data you need instead of spending a lot of money on broad-based marketing. So that's definitely where the trend is going when it comes to companies spending their money on customer acquisition. So I would definitely take a look at Phunware. It's a pretty small company. Its market cap is at $153 million. I think if just, you see the trend of companies developing apps, to get customer data and customer retention and customer relationships, this could easily become a billion-dollar company by the end of the decade. That could be a nice 6 or 7x from its current level. Of course, you'd have to see if, to make sure that their technology doesn't get disrupted by a better company. However, if you feel that the company may not be a leader in its space, maybe you own a couple of stocks that are in the sort of mobile cloud app development space, and then that makes you pretty well diversified. However, I would definitely check out the price action on this stock. Maybe if it could break above this 255 level, it could have a little less resistance headed up to the $3 level. But definitely keep it on your radar. I think it's a very interesting stock. So once again, Phunware trades on the Nasdaq under symbol PHUN. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.